Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's Sam from Motorsports, back in another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how much does it cost to fill up the Hellcat, what is the gas mileage, and how many times per week do I fill it up. And yeah, let's go and cut right into it. Alright, everybody, if you guys are new, I say this in every video, but this is a Hellcat Redeye, wide body, 2021, with 797 horsepower. This thing is an absolute animal. Let me go and do a walk around this car really quick. This car is completely stock. There is nothing changed, no muffler delete, absolutely nothing. This car is only about 4 months old, so we don't have any time to do all that fancy work, but eventually, like I said, we will. But yep, there it is. Alrighty guys, so probably about 20 minutes ago I went and filled up this Hellcat at a mobile gas station with 93 octane premium fuel, and it only costed probably about 50 bucks to fill it up, which isn't too bad. I was completely on empty, so I can see how much it took. I'm pretty sure it's only an 18-gallon tank, if I'm sure. But yeah, so we are almost on full. I did drive to the location, so I went down a little bit. So like I said, as I cut to the other point, this car is a gas hog. I think they say if you drive this thing on full throttle for 13 minutes or 12 minutes straight, it will go completely empty. So that's pretty quick. If you're driving this thing maybe every day of the week or 3 times a week, you have to probably fill it up mostly every day. This thing is a gas hog. It's not like a normal car. This thing just runs through the gas like it's nothing, and it will definitely make your pockets worth something. But yeah, so this car is a gas hog. It should be, with the amount of power it has, and it is not a normal car, everyday car that you drive on the road. This is a sports car, a muscle car. It's a very deadly car. If you don't know what you're doing, like me, I don't have an idea what the hell I'm doing, but I just like to say I do. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go and talk about how much does it cost to fill this thing up. About 20 minutes ago I went to a mobile gas station. I filled it up on 93 octane, which is premium fuel, and it only took about $50, which was pretty good. I was at full, but I had to drive to this location to film, so I did use quite a bit of gas. So yeah, it's about $50 to fill this thing up on a good day, and sometimes it costs around $65, maybe $70, depending on gas prices in your area, and it depends on how much gas you got when you fuel it up. So this thing's not too bad on gas. $50 is not too bad at all. So yeah, that's how much it costs to fill this thing up. Now for filling this thing up, I fill it up probably about every day I drive it, which I probably drive it an hour a day, 3 times a week, which is not too bad. I get it, this thing's a gas hog because of how heavy it is and all the power it's packing, and especially because I drive it on sport mode all the time, so it's understanding. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for the fuel. We're gonna go ahead and go out here to the roads, and I'm gonna do a couple pulls for you on camera before we end this video. Also, if you guys did enjoy that launch control video, make sure to go look at it. It's down in the description if you haven't, and make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And yeah, let's go ahead and get on to it. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and go down your SRT, put it in sport mode. There we go. We got 797 sport on, sport. Let's go ahead and get out here to the road. We'll do a couple pulls real quick. Alrighty guys, let's do it. This thing's dangerous. I've been recognizing since we are low on tread, this thing likes to go squirmy and everything. It's pretty scary. I've had a couple altercations where I did it and I was going all over the road, so I kind of watch myself now on. I try to drive with 2 hands. But yeah guys, if you guys have this car, be careful, it's very dangerous. Here we go, we're gonna do a little pull right here, nothing fancy. Little pull. Also guys, if you guys aren't new, I have a current giveaway going on for $500. So all you gotta do is subscribe, and once we get to 2,500 subscribers, I will then post a video on how to enter the giveaway and everything you need to know on how to win the $500 cash, Cash App, PayPal, or however you want to send to you. There will be a real winner. I'll make sure to live stream me picking the winner, so it's completely legit. Not scamming, nothing like that. No fishy business. So yeah, guys, go and make sure to subscribe. We're almost there. Pretty sure we're almost 400 away from 2,500 subscribers. We're getting close. And once we do, that $500 giveaway will be happening pretty soon. Also, if you guys have any good video ideas, go ahead and post them down in the comments below. I'm always waiting for comments by people. See what they're wanting to see with this Hellcat or my BMW or something like that. Just go and let me know, and we'll make it happen. All right, we'll do one little pull right here. Don't want to get in trouble, but let's do it. This whine is ridiculous. That whine is so good. Driving with the paddle shifters now. Downshift is so good. I love it. I love everything about this car. Absolutely everything. Might be in trouble. That might be rain headed towards us. We gotta get this thing back home.